Here is how I made $7,000 in passive income using AI in the past 90 days. Earlier this year, I noticed something weird. No, it was not a drop bear in the Australian woods. It was this Facebook account that posts images of cabins and gets tens of thousands of likes, comments, and shares. The weird thing was that all these images are actually made with AI. I immediately knew that I can use this method, but with my own twist. Here are my results. I made $700 in the first 7 days, just over $2,000 in the first month, and closed on almost $7,000 for the first 3 months. I took what this account here was doing and multiplied its effectiveness 10 times. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. You will need a website with ads, a Facebook page, AI images, and a special traffic tool. I'll show you how you can make $10 to $20 for every 1,000 clicks. So to make $100 a day, you need to get about 5 to 10,000 clicks every single day, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. Step 1, set up the website. For this, I like to use Cloudways. In my experience, Cloudways provides the fastest hosting, including all the best features you need at a really great price starting from just $11 a month. And I've got a special extra discount link. Just check the links in the description below. Cloudways will give you a 3-day free trial. And when you're signing up, don't forget to put my promo code over here to get an extra discount. Next, configure your Cloudways server. You can follow the settings that you can see here on the screen. You can always upgrade your account later, but I recommend that you start with this. After you've entered these details, click launch now. And while your server is being added, you can go to Namecheap to buy the domain for your website. Go search the domain names. It doesn't matter what the extension is. You can check the specials. For example, you can buy a .com at around $5 per year. There is even a special going on a .store domain at $0.91 per year. So you can grab any extension you like. Let's check if amazingworldofcabins.com is available. Yes, it's available. So go ahead and buy it. You can give your domain any name you want. It doesn't really matter. If there are any promo codes, make sure that you enter over here to get the discount. Next, inside your Cloudways account, go to your apps, view all applications, and this is where we're going to add the website. Click on this app, go to domain management, and click add domain. Copy the name of the domain, insert it here, domain 1. Under add domain, choose www. And then the same domain and click save changes. Let's make amazingworldofcabins.com our preferred primary domain, like this, set as primary. Then go to access details, scroll down and note this public IP. Inside your Namecheap account, go to advanced DNS, and where it says CNAME record, click on value and replace this value with the IP address that we've copied from Cloudways. Put the TTL to automatic and click save. If you get an error message like this, don't worry, just go on add new record, choose a record, under host, enter the add symbol, and then enter the IP address again, and let's click save. Now we can see our record is saved. Let's add a new record. Scroll down until you see CNAME record. For host, we want to put www, and under value, we want to put the actual domain. So just copy the domain name and enter that here, and let's click save again. Let's go back into Cloudways and go to SSL certificate. This is necessary so that you don't get security errors on your site. Make sure that you've got let's encrypt and then enter your email address. Enter your domain over here and click install certificate. After this step, you can try to click the domain name. And if everything was correct, then you should see something that looks like this, just the default template for your website. If you're not seeing it yet, don't worry, just give it another 5 to 10 minutes because sometimes it takes a little bit of time for your website to actually appear online. If you scroll down under access details, you'll see it says admin panel. Then there is this link, username and password. You should save them because this is how you're going to be logging into your actual website. Let's click this link to log in to WordPress admin panel. Then use this username and password to log in. Next, go to settings, give your site a name. Then go to permalinks and make sure that you've got post name selected like this. If you need any further help on how to set up the basics of your WordPress site, check out the description. I'm going to drop a link there to one of my WordPress setup tutorials. Now we're ready for the next step, which is to populate our website with some money-making content. For these, go ahead and click add new post. And our goal is to create a post that looks approximately like this. We might give it a name, something like 10 most beautiful mountain villages in the world. Then we're going to list the destinations and enter some images like this. So search for some posts like this on Google. Next, you can go to chatgpt.com and give it a prompt. I'm going to tell it, I will give you a blog post. I want you to rewrite this blog post in the voice of a travel journalist, make it engaging and friendly. I will also add make it 2,500 words. Let's click enter. Now ChatGPT is waiting for me to enter. And I'm just literally going to take all of this and copy it and then paste it for ChatGPT over here and hit enter. The end goal, once we create our content, is to monetize it with ads. This is just an example. You see, this is a blog post that has got some ads. And as the visitors are looking through these blog posts, they will be clicking these ads, generating the revenue for the blog. That's what we're going to be doing as well. So ChatGPT is done. Let's just take this article and we will paste it into our website. First, let's add a title. We're going to call it 10 most beautiful mountain villages on earth. Then we're going to paste the article over here. You'll want to add some images just like these articles have done. So grab some images. First, we want Cinque Terre. So just go to pexels.com or any other site you like to use for your free images. And let's search for Cinque Terre. All these places are very popular, so you should have no issues finding images for them. If you have problems finding images, you can use tensor.art. It's free to generate 100 images per day. Then go to channels, choose realistic, scroll down until you see some cool scenery like this one, for example. And then you can click remix. Give it a prompt, picture of Oya Santorini at sunset. Make sure you've chosen landscape size. Leave all the other settings the same to get a similar result and click generate. And you'll get your image created for you. Here is the image. If you're happy with this, but it looks a bit grainy, you can always just click here and upscale it. And you'll see that it looks much sharper and better now. Insert those images into your post. And just like this, we've got a post with all of these beautiful photos as well as some really cool text. And it took about 10 minutes to create. Let's click publish. And from here, you can find this post from your admin area just under posts. You can preview it at any time. This is what it looks like on our site. Looks very, very nice. Next, let's create a new Facebook page. We can give it a name. Let's choose the category and the description and click create page. And there we go, we've created the page, Amazing World of Cabins. And we're now ready to start populating it with images just like this page over here has done. And I would recommend to start with just to recreate images that are similar to the images with the most engagement that you can find. So if you find a post like this, for example, 30,000 likes, 1.1 thousand comments, 7.2 thousand shares, that's a pretty viral post. Or here is another one, 23,000 likes, 780 comments, 4.1 thousand shares. So click on this post, right click on it and click save image as. Go back to TensorArt, you might still be in the same model. On the text to image where it says prompt, try your best to describe and give the best prompt that you possibly can. And after that, click generate. This here is the result that I've got. Now this from TensorArt is actually 100% free, 100 images a day. I personally use a paid tool that also has a free trial called Leonardo AI, and these are the results that I get from Leonardo AI. Like this to me is a really stunning, awesome result. Now make this post. We know this worked for the mountain cabins page, so we can use a similar photo and a similar type of post. Okay, so I've pasted this over here and let's just click post. Since our Facebook page is about cabins, let's also, of course, make some posts about cabins. I've generated the images like this. Maybe I will post this one. This looks good. All right, so we've got these couple of posts. You get the idea. You need to build it up to about 10 posts before you move on to the next step. All right, so very soon what's going to happen is you're going to start to get people commenting on your posts. They'll say something like, I really need to go there ASAP, and they'll leave it for you here like this as a comment. Just like all of these people here are commenting. Look at this, 702 comments, everyone saying me too, beautiful, etc. Now we are going to use a tool that will automatically contact each person who comments on this post, and we will send them a link to the post on our website, to this post over here, because remember, we will have ads on this post that will be earning us money every time someone gets over here to this page. So I'm going to show you a way to share this link over here with everyone who comments under your post, under each photo. Now imagine that for this post, you're going to contact 700 people and you're going to send them the link to your post to these 700 people, and a lot of them will check the message that they received from you and they will click that link. So here it would be 1,500 people that would get this message from you with the link to your blog post. They'll go and check out the blog post because why not? It's just a blog post. They don't need to buy anything, and you will get paid when they do that. For this, we're going to use a tool that is called ManyChat. You can see that you can get started for free up to 1,000 contacts. So you can start making money before you actually have to spend any money with ManyChat. Okay, so the links are in the description below. It's basically going to cost you $0 per month. You don't need to enter a credit card. So when you're signing up, choose Facebook Messenger, click continue with Facebook. ManyChat is going to find the Facebook page that's linked to your account. So click connect. Then here we're going to choose start with free plan. Now under automations, choose new automation. Click start from scratch. And then here it says new trigger, so click that. And for the trigger, we want user comments on your post. So anytime a person comments on your post, you want ManyChat to do something. Now here under options, a reply message will be sent when a follower leaves comment below a specific post. Ideally, you should choose any post, but this is only available for the pro version. So for now, while you're on the free plan, choose specific post and then select your publication, which is going to be this one. And you can replicate this for other posts that you have while you're on a free plan. Further below where it says comment contains any words is fine. Track first level comments only. Yes, we want that option. If there's a reply to a reply to a reply, we don't want to send them messages. And yes, we also want public auto response in the feed. For this, you'll need to get a special advanced Facebook permission. So just click on here and grant that permission. Okay, so I've just granted that permission. The page just reloaded in a slightly different format. This public auto response is just going to be a public comment to say, okay, so I'm just going to make it sound like this for sure. Just sent you a DM as well with some more cool cabins, please check. Cheers. Because the comments are most likely going to be, I wish I was there. So my reply is going to be, yeah, for sure. And yes, I want ManyChat to like the comments as well. Awesome. So this is all set up. So let's click save. Make sure that everything is good. Specific post. Yes, this one, all of this is correct. So let's click save. Okay. And here we actually want to send the message. So let's choose the specific message. And now we just need to set up this actual direct message that we're going to be sending. It's like a PM, a private message that will go to the inbox of the person who's commented. And this is what I'm going to enter. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And this is all done. Let's just click set live. And just here on the left, make sure that it's set as a comment reply. And then we can click set live or update. Okay, and now this is done and ready to rock. So just to show you how this works, I've gone with my personal profile and left a comment here. You can see that's me, looks good 1 minute ago. And you can see that I've got an automated comment from the page to say, just sent you a DM as well with more cool cabins, please check. And here is the direct message that's come through. It actually says here, Amazing World of Cabins is responding to comments you made on their page. Okay, so the person will know where it's come from. And this is the DM. And a lot of people, in fact, about 50%, they end up clicking this link. And once they click this link, of course, this is going to bring them to your website that we've just built together. And in the next step, we're going to add the advertisements in here. We're going to add special code that will allow you to earn from each page view that you direct to your page. And this is how the model works. We've set up everything together. So we're going to be directing all of this traffic over here, and we will earn from every visitor who browses this page. Now let's talk about monetization. Your end goal is to get into Mediavine. Mediavine is the network that I have personally used for a number of years now, and their payout is really good. This is where you can get about $20 per 1,000 views in the niche that I have shown you. However, Mediavine requires you to have a minimum of 50,000 monthly visitors before they allow you to start monetizing with their ads. So until then, I recommend that you use Ezoic. Ezoic is a really good network, but don't take just my word for it. You can find tons of proof online, but I just want to show you one. Here is a person who was earning $3 per 1,000 views on AdSense. They went up to earning $15 per 1,000 views, switching to Ezoic. This was in a cars niche. Travel niche actually pays better, or at least the same as the cars niche. And ultimately, anyway, your goal is to get into Mediavine. Ezoic is just a temporary solution until your site builds up traffic. In order to track the visitors on your website, you will need to install Google Analytics. I'm not going to cover it in this tutorial. It's getting too long, but I'm going to drop a link below into the description that will cover the tutorial on how to set up Google Analytics on your website. You'll need the analytics script to track all of your traffic and then to eventually prove to Mediavine that you actually have over 50,000 monthly visitors. So you need to install Google Analytics as quickly as possible to start capturing the traffic that you send. Once you've done that, you can go to ezoic.com, sign up through the process, and they will actually assign a contact point for you, and you can contact that person and ask them to help you set up the ads on your website. They've got this service where they will set up all the scripts on your website, And to scale this method up, really all you need to do is post 3 to 5 posts on Facebook every single day, up to 10 to 20 if you really feel like it, in order to grow your traffic. Everything else is set up. You've got the monetization way set up. Every time someone comments on your post, they will get a link, they will go to your website. Once you've got the ads set up on your website, you will be making money from all of that traffic. Also, don't forget to get your free access to my training guide. You go to fastervideos.com and you will be able to learn how I make $928 a day with 7-second videos, which I create using the power of AI. Here you can enter your email and get your $0 access for 7 days. After you enter your name and email, you'll be redirected to a page that looks like this, where you can complete the purchase or learn more about the system and the course. And you will see the testimonials from our students. You'll see their results. We have people getting tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of views, making thousands of dollars every single month that have followed our training, getting hundreds of thousands of views every single day, getting tons of subscribers, getting 40 million views. So from this page, you can grab your $0 access on a 7-day free trial. Just click this button underneath the video or anywhere else on the page, and we'll see you inside the course. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button just below this video. Subscribe to my channel to make sure you never miss my future tutorials. And after you've done that, watch this video next. This video will show you another awesome way to earn with your website that will help you multiply the earnings from this method. So thanks very much once again, and I'll see you in the next video.